The widespread COVID-19 related infodemic propelled panic among people. Hence, it was important to keep the people updated with the true information for decreasing the panic and spread of virus. This video is part of intra-action review of COVID-19 response in the state of Gujarat based on WHO's 10 strategic pillars of COVID-19 Joint Response Plan. This video presents innovative ways adapted for risk communication and promote community engagement, which falls under Pillar 2.
In terms of risk communication, one of the first steps that was taken was to ensure that this information communication with the general public was not in any way disrupted in the context of the lockdown and the situation that followed. So it was decided to have daily press briefings by me as the Principal Secretary Health, as well as the Secretary Information and the Director General of Police. So this went on for over a month almost with complete regularity. I think Gujarat was one of the first states to have the state COVID portal, which had the details being updated on a daily basis, and it became the authentic source of information. Additionally, when we come to community engagement, we actually developed, along with Ashoka University, a full-fledged social and behavior change communication SBCC toolkit and involvement of the community in running COVID isolation centers, but completely which were community-based. It was run by the community at zero cost to the government in a way.
As you know, the first case of COVID was reported in Gujarat on 19th of March 2020. But before that, Health and Family Welfare Department, in coordination with Information Department, has already initiated a campaign by name of Namaste Gujarat. So the campaign, which started from 15th of March, initially focused on maintaining hand hygiene, maintaining social distancing, and doing Namaste rather than shaking hand while greeting. We launched a big campaign. Honorable Chief Minister, in fact, designed this campaign by name of Hu Pan Corona Warrior. That means I am also a Corona Warrior, in which we designed several engaging activities also. Like there was one activity in which we encouraged citizens to take selfie with elders. Like the youngest member of the family would take a selfie with the elderly persons of the family and upload it with the hashtag Hu Pan Corona Warrior. And then there was an oath also, in which three things were highlighted: that I will wear mask whenever I go out of my house, I will maintain social distance whenever I go out of my place and otherwise also, and I will maintain hand hygiene.
Pulse oximeter has been very useful. People were trained. Many migrant laborers are there in the city. Almost 11.5 lakh migrant laborers required meals during the lockdown. Almost 23 lakh meals per day, and almost 17 crores meal in 68 days was done with the help and support of the community. COVID recovered patients, they came forward in a large number to donate their plasmas, and adequately in the early cases, plasma has been administered in Surat in a large number. In fact, one of the highest plasma donation in any of the cities in the country is being done in Surat.
In order to fight against infodemic, the state has taken numerous initiatives such as initiated campaigns like Namaste Gujarat and I am also Corona Warrior for mass awareness. Real-time sharing of information through daily press conferences to curtail rumors. Developed and implemented social behavior change communication tools for effective interpersonal communication for healthcare personnel. This video is prepared by Indian Institute of Public Health Gandhinagar with support from the World Health Organization. We thank the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Gujarat for their support and cooperation.